All the time is the best time to actually think about improving your ceiling insulation. Why is it important to improve your ceiling insulation? Well, because without an ideal amount of ceiling insulation, your home can't possibly be as comfortable as it should be. Especially if you've got no ceiling insulation, this is 40 times better than that. Imagine that. There's a lot of people say that they have ceiling insulation, but in many cases it's not nearly enough. So it's a great idea to think about improving your ceiling insulation and making it as good as it can be. So if you're going to go to the trouble of getting in your attic and improving the ceiling insulation, use the best material available. And that material is polyester. It's made largely from recycled plastic bottles. It's human friendly, but the rodents hate it. It's not damaged by water, it doesn't burn, it's super easy to install. In fact, it's a really great DIY material that you can get from the ecomasterstore.com.au. We can deliver to most places in Australia, and I've even made comprehensive installation videos so that you can buy with complete confidence. Click on the link below and get yours now. Click below. Click.